Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And so this is a continuation from my DIY crochet extension, and I'm super happy I was able to achieve this look. So let's start. I divided my hair into two parts, and I was going for kind of like an all back look. And as you can see, I'm trying to braid my hair backwards, and trust me guys, this is a struggle for me. So if you do not know how to braid your hair, just maybe get a picture of what you want and then go to your hair maker and tell the hair maker to do the braiding pattern for you. Also, as a struggle, please, if you decided to make your own hair, please make sure your hair is neater than mine. Like I said, this has been a struggle for me for years, but I just had to take my time in braiding this hair. It wasn't really easy for me, trust me, especially for a natural girl. Natural hair can be a struggle sometimes. So I just connected the whole hair, and this is how the back looks like. I am using my crochet pin to secure the tip, and that's because I do not want to sew my hair. Your hair should please look neater than this. So it's time for installation process. Starting at the back, and as you can see, I did not split my hair into two. I just go straight and install the hair, and I left a lot of space at the back because I wasn't too sure if this hair was going to go round. I used half pack of the biggest expression to do this hairstyle. Everything I use will be listed down in the description box below. This hairstyle was also inspired by a YouTuber named Chili Loves You. She did it on her child, and I really love this hairstyle considering the fact that I've never styled. The advantages of this hairstyle is that it's lightweight, and you can recreate this look for your child. Just don't use too much hair. In the night, if you want to sleep, just a satin scarf or a silk scarf and just tie your hair up and loosen the hair in the morning and just sprinkle water on the hair and it's good to go. And then you trim the hair like once a week because the hair will really need lots of trimming. It's very easy. So in the front, I did the knotless invincible method because I did not want the knots to be showing in front, and I do go back to check which side is not full and then add more extension there, and I used all my extension in this hair. So do take your time, recreate this look. It's very fun. If along you feel bored, just be watching TV or something. So I keep adding and adding till I fill up the space. I want to be filled up. And then I trim my hair. This hairstyle took me 3 hours, and that was because I had to take my time in braiding my hair. But for the installation of the crochet extension, it just took me 45 minutes. So I hope you like this look, because I really love this look. And what you think about this look, put it down in the comment section. I would really like your opinion. And please, I will beg and urge you all to subscribe to my channel. And if you found this video very helpful, please do share and like. And I would love you all to recreate this look. Thank you all for watching. Bye. And more videos are coming up. Stay tuned.